In this video, we are going to talk about how to earn money with Fiverr. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. The internet micro-outsourcing marketplace Fiverr.com has evolved to become the world's largest provider of micro-outsourced services in recent years, according to industry observers. Because of the company's success, it is becoming increasingly difficult to locate people who haven't heard of Fiverr or who haven't used its services as a result of the company's multi-million-dollar advertising campaign. It should come as no surprise that an increasing number of businesses, both online and offline, are resorting to the services provided on Fiverr. The good news is that demand for whatever services you provide to the worldwide market for digital services will continue to grow in the future as a result of the continuous development in global demand for digital services. Here are only 15 easy and clear ways to get money on Fiverr.com that are simple and uncomplicated to do. There is a plethora of others. Your earnings from Fiverr may seem insignificant at first, but if you can do these projects quickly and include essential extras in your packages, your earnings from Fiverr might add up to a substantial sum of money in the long run. Number 18. Voiceovers. Pay ranges from $10 to $500. The job of a voiceover artist is in high demand, even among people with little or no previous experience. All you need is a clear speaking voice in order to be able to find a number of various gigs to suit your needs. And believe me when I say that there is a plethora of gigs available on Fiverr for every sort of voice. You can have an American accent, a British accent, a masculine or a feminine accent, you name it. Number 17. Copywriting. Pay ranges from $50 to $2,000 per gig. If you want to make money on Fiverr, you don't have to be a tech whiz. If you're a good writer, you can make some additional money by giving your copywriting services to potential clients and customers. There are plenty of writing opportunities available, particularly in the field of copywriting. For example, we discovered ads for companies that compensated product reviewers, bloggers, and even e-book writers. Number 16. Influencer marketing. Provided that you have a substantial number of social media followers, you have the potential to make a significant amount of money on Fiverr by offering your services to others. Several firms and individuals have indicated an interest in compensating you for the promotion of their products or services on your social media channels, and it has been brought to your attention that this is the case. In order to estimate the price of this service, the seller must first identify how many followers you have or how many conversions the buyer obtains. This information is obtained from the buyer. This information is gathered from the buyer's representative. This information is obtained from the buyer's agent on the transaction. Number 15. Use software to find SEO keywords. SEO keywords are subjected to the same level of inspection that was previously mentioned for the purpose of performing SEO diagnostics. The most significant difference is that you are producing a report that is entirely composed of keywords rather than phrases in this case. Unprecedented levels of interest have been expressed in this service. Number 14. Use software to produce SEO diagnostic results. When it comes to determining a website's search engine optimization health, there is an enormous number of techniques available nowadays. For $5, you may purchase a piece of software like this and then offer to conduct specialty diagnosis for people that visit Fiverr. It is possible to make a substantial amount of money with these software packages because they do not require a significant amount of work. Number 13. Make a video testimonial. If you are well presented and possess the ability to interact effectively in front of a camera, you should consider providing video testimonials for your organization. That this type of gig is one of the most popular on Fiverr comes as no surprise, and it sells out practically instantly when it is listed. Number 12. Write a review. Given your ability to submit a 400-word review in less than 12 or 10 minutes, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you to offer your skills. Customers frequently purchase products or services after reading product or service reviews. As a result, there is a steady need for product or service reviews on the internet. Number 11. Design flyers. As a result of the ongoing expansion of online business options, there has been a significant increase in the demand for graphic design services. The need for graphic design services is really strong. Number 10. Offer ebooks or reports you've written. Fiverr requires that you complete a specific task for the company before you can be reimbursed for the vast majority of the services offered on the platform. As a result, you obtain specifications from the client, which you may subsequently use in the development of new materials to meet those criteria. One of my favorite methods of getting money online is a method of generating money online that entirely opposes the conventional corporate paradigm. It is, without a doubt, one of my favorite methods of earning money online. It is possible to save both time and money by publishing a book or report only once and selling it to a range of different types of clients, rather than having to generate new materials for every $5 sale. You should be able to maintain any intellectual property rights you have retained as long as you explicitly specify that you are not selling resale rights to your work and that all intellectual property rights are yours to protect. Number 9. Offer social media services. It should come as no surprise that a significant portion of the services offered on Fiverr are related to the creation of Twitter postings, Facebook advertising, and Google+ marketing campaigns. The majority of people are eager to have traffic sent to their websites, and they are willing to spend $5 to have that traffic directed to the pages on their websites that they desire. Number 8. Write quickly and get paid. In the event that you have the ability to write quickly, you can anticipate being highly compensated for your work. Seriously. In the event that you are capable of writing 400 words in 12 minutes or less, it is possible to earn $25 each hour. In all honesty, it's not too bad. One of the most crucial things you can do is to publish high-quality materials that will entice your clients to return time and time again to your establishment. Number 7. Use marketing software to get paid. To market the websites of your clients for a few minutes or hours at a time, it is possible to use a range of various traffic production techniques, depending on your requirements. In as little as 1 minute if the software is simple to use and install, you can earn $5 with a straightforward setup and minimal effort. In this case, the total taxable hourly wage is $300 per hour, or $300 per week. Number 6. Create digital drawings. If you know what you're doing, using automated photo-based sketching tools, you can make digital drawings in a matter of minutes if you know what you're doing. Everyone, including businesses, is on the lookout for distinctive graphics that are based on their own imagery. This is especially true for individuals. Number 5. Research. Utilize Google's search engine to conduct research on a project and get rewarded for your efforts. Providing that you keep your objectives in mind and your study remains concentrated while completing the research, it should be possible to complete the research in a short period of time. Number 4. Become a virtual assistant. While it is feasible to make a fair living by selling an hour or two of your time doing virtual assistant work for clients that you may find on Fiverr in most countries, doing so is not recommended. Number 3. Website development jobs. Pays $100 to $2,000. Designing and constructing a website is likely one of the highest paid jobs on Fiverr. Although you'll find different offers for website concept, design, and coding, you'll make more money if you are able to accomplish all three. Particularly, e-commerce site design is in high demand. Buyers are primarily seeking for merchants who can create on platforms such as WordPress, Squarespace, and Shopify. Number 2. Design business cards. While the fact that organizations are constantly in need of business cards, there is a constant demand for persons who are capable of creating business cards despite having only the most basic graphic design skills. Number 1. Take pictures with signs or alter pictures. To get money on Fiverr, one of the most straightforward and fundamental methods is to take a picture of yourself holding a sign in the location of a well-known landmark in your neighborhood and publish it to the platform. Whatever your level of expertise, there is something you can offer to clients in the global market for outsourced services, regardless of where you live. Get started right away by activating your account on Fiverr and beginning to turn your spare time into extra money. It is possible to make a substantial amount of money by selling your services on Fiverr.com if you know how to remove the background from a photograph using Photoshop. For the purpose of sharing their images on the internet, individuals are constantly looking for new and innovative ways to crop their photographs so that their backgrounds are no longer visible. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.